It's probably the coolest fire pit I ever seen it. That is take apart. As you can see, the flames are gonna be inside of this box. You can remove that and fill it up with charcoal or just wood. Probably charcoal would be the easiest. You can fill it up all the way to the top. You see it's see-through, so it's kind of like sideways fire. And then you can put like squirrels over here and cook your pieces of meat like shish kebab or like even hot dogs, whatever you decide. That is very, very unique. It was a little bit of a challenge to put together and it's quite dirty. But this is how easy it is to take it apart. Just lift, oops, boom, and that's it. You can break it apart and put it away. And this is how I put it together. First thing you want to do is do the middle one. I'm sure there might be a better way to do it, but my biggest challenge was to install this bottom. So you kind of just go the bottom next, then this side. Once you figure it out this part, it'll be a lot easier. What I did is locked it in both sides. Now it's kind of falling from this side. I wish there was some kind of hooks over there. Then this goes in, boom. Actually it's not that hard. Then I'm gonna slide in the back. And it's obviously has a little bit of a give. And the top. And boom, you can actually carry it. How cool is that? Obviously you'll have to wash it off a couple of times and burn it off. And then take it off, kind of like the same way. One side lifted, it'll kind of fall all apart. Very interesting grill over here. And also I got right here regular grill. I don't know, this is kind of like a fire pit, folding fire pit with a grill. So you kind of have to lift it from the bottom. This is what's pretty easy to assemble. So you got the bottom, it goes in here. Not really sure if I'm holding it upside down, but this will do. Then this end, yeah, that's it. This is probably the way I got to it. And then I'll put this in. Then once that's together, I can lift this up and not worry about this falling, and just the top over here. Boom, nice. And you got right here yourself a little fire pit. Pretty cool, isn't it? And you can grill on top of it, but again it has a lot of industrial oil, so you really want to wash it off and burn it off before you actually cook on it. Pretty unique fire pits over here, that's for sure.